Welcome back to Kitty Catty. If you love learning about cats, you are in the right place. Have you ever been sitting at home only to suddenly hear your cat making a bizarre noise? Maybe it is a chirp, a long yowl, or even a deep growl. Cats have a rich vocal range, and each sound they make has a meaning. Whether they are trying to communicate with you, express their emotions, or react to their environment. But how do you know what your cat is trying to say? In this video, we will break down the most common strange cat sounds, what they mean, and when you should be concerned. If you have ever wondered why your furry friend makes these odd noises, stay tuned to become a true cat whisperer. If you have ever noticed your cat sitting by the window fixated on a bird or a squirrel outside, you might have heard them make a rapid clicking or chattering sound. This noise is a fascinating mix of excitement, frustration, and instinct. Some experts believe that when cats see potential prey but cannot reach it, they vocalize their eagerness through this strange sound. Others suggest that chattering might be a form of practicing their killing bite, a reflexive movement in anticipation of catching their prey. It is as if your cat is so eager to pounce that their jaw instinctively mimics the motion. Even indoor cats who have never hunted before often exhibit this behavior when watching birds from a window or even staring at movement on a TV screen. A loud, drawn-out yowl is one of the most unsettling sounds a cat can make, and it often leaves pet owners confused or even worried. Yowling can mean many things depending on the situation. If your cat is not spayed or neutered, this sound might be a mating call, especially in the case of unspayed females or unneutered males who sense a potential mate nearby. However, yowling can also be a cry of loneliness, pain, or even cognitive dysfunction. In older cats, sometimes cats yell to signal discomfort or illness, particularly if they are experiencing conditions like kidney disease, hypothyroidism, or vision loss. If your cat suddenly starts yelling excessively, it is a good idea to monitor their behavior and consult a vet if the noise seems unusual for them. When a cat growls or hisses, it is an unmistakable signal that they feel threatened, scared, or angry. These sounds are part of a cat's natural defense system, warning others to stay away. A growling cat might be feeling territorial, reacting to an unfamiliar pet, or even experiencing pain. If your cat growls while eating, they might be guarding their food behavior. More common in stray or rescue cats with past food insecurity. Hissing, on the other hand, is a more immediate warning. Cats is to say back off and are usually on high alert, ready to defend themselves if necessary. If your cat frequently growls or hisses, try to identify the stressors in their environment. Is there another animal bothering them? Have you introduced a new pet? Are they in pain? Respect their space and allow them to calm down before interacting. Unlike a typical meow, trilling is a unique high-pitched sound that often sounds like a mix between a purr and a chirp. It is a delightful rolling noise that cats use as a friendly greeting. If your cat trills when they see you, it is their way of saying, "Hey there, I'm happy to see you." Mother cats often trill to communicate with their kittens, guiding them and keeping them close. Many cats carry this behavior into adulthood and use it to interact with their favorite humans. If your cat trills at you, try responding with a soft voice or petting them. They are probably looking for affection and connection. Have you ever seen your cat open its mouth as if it is meowing but no sound comes out? This adorable behavior, known as the silent meow, is one of the most heart-melting things a cat can do. Although you may not hear anything, your cat is still communicating with you. Some believe that they are using higher frequency sounds that only other cats can detect. Silent meows are often a cat's way of asking for attention or food, but they can also be a sign of deep affection. Many cat owners notice their feline friends using silent meows when they are being extra sweet, making it one of the most endearing ways a cat expresses love. Understanding your cat's sounds can help you build a stronger bond with them. Every chirp, trill, growl, or yowl carries a message. Learning to interpret them is the key to deeper communication with your feline companion. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Kitty Catty for more amazing cat content. Let us know in the comments, what is the strangest noise your cat makes?